Hello and welcome. In this video, we shall be looking at using Camtasia within PowerPoint. Camtasia can be used within PowerPoint if you had pre-installed Camtasia on your computer. Okay, and remember that the version of PowerPoint should be at least version 2010. Okay, while the version of Camtasia should be up to Camtasia 8. Okay, it is Camtasia 9 that I'm using now, but you can also use Camtasia 8. Okay, good. So let us take a look at how to go about this. So this time around, you go to the last tab on the list of tabs, which is the add-ins tab. So once you click on that, you see the little custom toolbars option that we have here. So the first one is the record button. Once you click on that, it launches Camtasia and it starts recording. We're going to click that in just a minute. Why the next feature after this is the record audio feature. Okay, normally by default it will be selected, but in any case, if you find out that it is not selected, that is, it is not highlighted as it is, you have to click on it. All right, cool. Why the next feature is the feature that allows you to record your own face. Like if you want your own face to appear on the video, like sometimes you may have a video that's picture in video, picture in picture, which is like having a small video like what I have here. You can have a video at the bottom left, okay, which will be showing your face as you are doing the presentation. Okay, so with this feature it will include it. Okay, for the sake of this video we're not including that, but it's something that is so easy to do. Once you click on it, you will see yourself and you can adjust your position. Okay, why the next is to show the camera preview. So the camera preview is to show you what the little camera, that is if you selected it to record the camera, this will show you how you look exactly in the camera. Okay, good. While the last feature is Camtasia recording options. You can explore that, but basically what we need right now is to hit the record button. Let's hit the record button and see what will happen. Yes, the recording is about to start, but the recording will only start when you click on the button by the bottom right of the screen, which is click to begin recording. So once you hit that, you can also see the level of the volume of your microphone. Okay, so you can clearly clarify or see that your microphone is working. Okay, so once you click on to begin recording, it start recording. Let's click on it so that you see. So usually there's a count, so a count will start 1 2 3 and up you go. Your recording is going. When you are through, you end the video. Okay, but in this case let's quickly end. You press the escape key. Alright, with the escape key you can stop the recording, or you click on continue recording to go back to the slide and you continue recording your video. But in this case we are stopping the recording. Okay, good. So now you will be asked to save the recording first in a Camtasia recording format. Okay, so you first of all save it in a Camtasia recording format, and this format is what will now be opened in Camtasia for you to work on later on. Okay, so make sure you know where you are saving it so that you can go and open it later in Camtasia. But not to worry, when we get to learning about Camtasia, you get to understand how to go about this. Okay, good, fine. So that's all you need to know about using Camtasia within PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.